This is a resort overview of the Auberge Resort, the Commodore Perry in Austin, Texas. The Commodore Perry is about 15 minutes from the Austin airport. The resort is located in the middle of a busy neighborhood, but as soon as you turn off the main road, you are in their gated private grounds. The center of the resort is a roundabout, surrounded by the main buildings, which include the mansion, where one of the restaurants and 4 suites are located, and the Courtyard building, where most of the rooms are located. Through the large main doors, you're immediately in the small lobby. This is where check-in takes place. The lobby will have a rotation of beverages in the afternoons throughout your stay. This is also where complimentary coffee service is found in the mornings. Just off the lobby is a lounge space with themed decorations including vintage gaming sets. This 2-story building wraps around a courtyard. The courtyard has a fountain and outdoor seating. Your room will likely be in this building, with the entry door either facing an interior hallway or an outside walkway. We were in gallery room number 48. Upon entering the suite, you are in a foyer area where the closet is located. Moving through the foyer takes you into the main living space. The bedroom has a king-size bed that faces a flat-screen TV. The bedside tables each have a lamp and a power outlet that is located on the wall behind the table. One side has a Bluetooth speaker. There is a small bar cart in the corner of the room. The cart has bartender tools and a selection of alcohol for purchase. Back in the foyer is the closet area. The closet space includes hangers, 2 robes, 2 sets of slippers, a steamer, and an umbrella. Opposite the closet is a small minibar. The minibar has a kettle, a French press with complimentary coffee, and a selection of snacks and beverages for purchase. Next to the minibar is the bathroom. The bathroom has a double vanity and a large stylized mirror. The bathroom is stocked with a hairdryer, a shaving kit, and a magnifying mirror. There is a separate room with the loo and a large walk-in with a rainfall shower head and a handheld wand. The bathroom is well stocked with different house brand toiletries. Back in the bedroom, there are French doors that open out onto the balcony. Our balcony had 2 chairs and looked out into the main courtyard. The room is temperature controlled with a thermostat on the wall. Our room came with a welcome amenity of fresh apples. And we received a turn-down gift of homemade apple butter on our last night. Across from the Courtyard building is the estate's mansion building. The mansion has several different seating spaces where breakfast, lunch, and dinner are served. This is also where several of the estate's evening activities take place. The mansion has a back patio with outdoor seating. Our room rate included a daily breakfast for 2. If you're interested in getting access to these amenities for no extra charge using our rate, comment below or email us at welovethatspot@gmail.com. For breakfast, we tried breakfast tacos, tostadas, avocado toast, oatmeal, and hot tea. Our room came with a $100 credit, which we used for lunch at the mansion. For lunch, we tried hush puppies, crispy chicken sandwich, and Wagyu brisket tacos. The Commodore Perry has another restaurant on site, Ludy's, that is open to the public for dinner on weeknights and an additional brunch service on weekends. Ludy's has a happy hour every night from 5 till 6 p.m. There is also an outdoor patio that looks over the estate grounds. The grounds are lovely and well manicured. On the west side of the property is the pool area. The pool is small but has plenty of seating and is staffed during high occupancy times. Back up across the grounds and opposite the mansion is where the gym is located. The gym is small but has plenty of cardio equipment, including a Peloton bike and weightlifting equipment. The gym is stocked with water, fruit, and plenty of towels. A huge perk of staying at Auberge Resorts is the complimentary use of their in-house Mercedes car fleet. During our stay, we used this G-Wagon and this GLA 450. If you're visiting the Commodore Perry or any other high-end resort and want to learn more about adding VIP amenities to your room at no extra charge, either comment below or email us at welovethatspot@gmail.com. If you want to see more hotel reviews like this one, don't forget to like and subscribe.